Search Jade Travel Nurse on YouTube. Oh guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't notice that you're there already and I was concentrating on my yoga here. Anyway, I want to introduce to you another unboxing moment of our Jade, the travel nurse. What is it this time that she's going to unbox? Continue watching to find out!
Hello guys!
Hello world! We are about to unbox the purchased Dyson Pure humidifier.
Humidifier.
And cool, something like that. So we
Yes.
are trying to practice
Personal hygiene.
personal hygiene and,
And
you know, healthy living because of this pandemic
Yes.
that's happening.
That's why we bought this Dyson Pure Humidify Plus Cool and Pure and Hot Scenes.
Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the Dyson Pure Humidify Plus Cool. So it said here that it purifies, humidifies, and cools you. So let's start by saan ba? Nakakain ng tanga. Hold on. So let's start here. Okay.
Sorry, we're doing unboxing every time in our garage.
Yeah. So we're in the garage right now, you see? There's
You see?
there's
Ayaw na maubusan ng water.
yeah, so during this pandemic we have to be very very prepared of anything that will happen. So we have a lot in our garage. We receive everything here.
Yes, we unbox here so that the boxes will not enter the house
Yeah.
for hygienic purposes. Tama ba?
Yeah.
For hygiene purposes.
Okay, so let's try to see what's inside the box.
Tanan, tanan.
Yeah. So wow, this is really huge. Yeah, so we have the fan, the bladeless fan. So it is bladeless, and this one is where you're going to put the cool water so that if you want to like cool to get
Sorry.
cold, or you want to, you know, this is the water tank that you're going to put the water in, and so yeah.
Anyway, guys, I forgot to introduce to you Miss Aileen, my colleague. Actually, we're living the same house.
Yeah.
Our accommodation.
It's been a year already before you introduced me. My goodness. Why you forget about that?
I
So,
forgot to introduce earlier.
yeah.
Sorry.
So we have the adapter. We have the remote. So you don't have to get close to the what do they call this one? To the equipment before you want to change the temperature or how you want it to be, if it's like for purifying or if you want to use it as a fan. So that's the it's so tiny. It's just like this. Okay, so we have the remote, and yeah, this one I think is like Alexa enabled something. So if you want to use with Alexa, it can, and it can also connect
In the
Wi-Fi and Siri. So yeah. So this is di ba?
Wow. wow. Oh, it comes with the filter, the accessories.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for Dyson Pure Humidify and Cool. This one can connect to the Dyson Link app. It's written here. So you can control and monitor it anywhere. Then, of course, the remote is certified asthma and allergy friendly. Can you see this? Here. Yes. This is purifying heater plus fan with HEPA filtration.
Okay.
Siya actually yung nagbablog. Sigit lang ako.
Singit na.
Sigit lang ako.
So this one, unlike the first one that we opened, this one is like Dyson Pure Hot and Cool. So you can, the other one is like Purifier and air cooler. So this one is a hot and cool something. So you can use this one for a heater, and at the same time you can use this one for cooling. So it's like a fan and heater in one. So this would be nice for the house, especially when you are like living in a country where you experience cold weather, like winter, especially fall.
Or we can also use it in the Philippines.
Oh yeah. Oh, do you need heater in the Philippines?
Yes, when there's typhoon.
I thought you're just using, even during the typhoon, I thought you're just using the AC. Okay. So this one, it's the design is like
The same.
the same with the I think this is the Dyson trademark design. Yeah.
For air purifier.
For air purifier. Because before I thought that Dyson only what do you call this? They only introduced, the only Dyson that I know is the hair dryer. So I dream of having it actually, but you know, it's for hair drying. It's too yeah. You know, it's very, you know, luxury. So it has a remote as well.
Okay, for disclaimer purposes, we're not being paid for this video. This is just a pure unboxing experience. Jade and her colleague decided to have this Dyson air purifier to clean the surrounding air around them, especially at these times. The air purifier offers a range of advanced purifiers that remove gases and odors. And according to them, quote-unquote, it captures 99.97% of allergens and pollutants. And you can choose which one you would like. They have purifier and humidifier at the same time, and also a cooling fan. We also have a purifier with heater and a cooling fan. And they also have a purifier only with a cooling fan. It's up to you guys. So, our question now is, what do you think the air around you is clean? And how are you going to make sure that it's clean, especially in our homes? You can drop down your comments down below, and if any suggestions and questions, feel free to ask. Once again, in behalf of the Jade and the Travel Nurse team, we would like to say stay safe and God bless everyone. If you're not subscribed yet to this channel, please click subscribe button so that our exposure will still be long and you can still see us. And you can also like and share this video. Stay safe again. God bless. Till our next vlog. See you guys. Search Jade the Travel Nurse on YouTube.